Good morning. Today is Friday, April 19, 2024, and here are the 10:30 a.m. STL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandawi City. Here are the STL Shore 3 10:30 a.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Friday, April 19, 2024. Here are the STL Shore 3 10:30 a.m. draw result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for April 19, 2024, Friday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of Friday, April 19, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.